Spatial intensive revision. Mapping of Elector with previous SIR. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcome. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know how to map an elector with previous SIR. The BLO app is shown on the screen. Now click on Mapping of Electors with previous SIR. Now we can map the elector with previous SIR based on map elector with previous SIR or mark elector or self as progeny. If a BLO wants to map elector with previous SIR, then click here. List of electors within the part number of BLO will be displayed. The green box shows elector is already mapped and progeny information to be added. White box shows elector to be mapped and after mapping, progeny information to be added. For mapping the elector, click Map Elector. Now select name of the state, number and name of the assembly constituency, that is previous SIR AC number and name of the part number. Here we have to write the previous SIR part number and name. Enter serial number of the elector in the previous SIR part. Now click on Search Detail. A list will be displayed. Check the elector details from the last SIR details. If the details not matched, then click No. Now re-enter the details correctly. Click on Search Detail. Again check the elector details from the last SIR details. If details matched, click Yes. Now record update successfully will be displayed. Green color shows elector has been mapped. If elector has been mapped wrongly, he or she can be unmapped by clicking Unmap Elector. If elector has been mapped correctly, then add progeny by clicking Add Progeny. A pop-up window will be displayed. Enter epoch number of the progeny. Then click Submit. Progeny details will be displayed. Select relationship with the elector and then click Add. Added progeny can be viewed or details can be edited by clicking View Edit Progeny. Another progeny can also be added by clicking Add Progeny. Added details can be viewed or edited by clicking View Edit Progeny. Added details can be viewed. If BLO want to mark the elector for self as progeny, then click here. For marking self as progeny, click Mark Self as Progeny. Now select the name of the state from previous SIR state. Now select number and name of the assembly constituency, that is previous SIR AC number and name. Now select number and name of the part number, that is previous SIR part number and name. Enter serial number of elector in the previous SIR. Now click Search Detail. Check the elector's details. If details not matched, then click Cancel. Now re-enter all the details correctly. If details matched, select Relation with Elector. Then click Add. User will receive a message, Progeny added successfully. In this education video, we have learned about how to map the elector with previous SIR. Thank you for watching this education video.